Lately, my house has been having a problem with birds trying to attack us. Earlier, they were hitting my car door window thing. Nah, I don't know. And now this guy's just been he's been going at this for at least 5 minutes, and not exactly sure what to do here. Heard a weird wait, here we go. Wait for it. There it is. Okay, so. Yeah, he's just been going at this for like 5 minutes. Hasn't stopped. Okay, here we go. Alright, get rid of this. Wait for him to fly up one more time. Wait for it. Oh, shit. Shit just got real. Oh! Oh, it's game time now, bitch. Come on. Come at me. Come on. I ain't opening this window. You're gonna lose here. Bitch. Come on, come on. What do you want? Yeah, dive bomb. Should I open the window? Nope. Nope. Yeah. Yeah, I should. I'm opening the window. Closing it. That was scary. Not doing that again. I think it's gone. What? Is it back? No. Mankind 1. Birdkind 0.